In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence for remote teams. Confluence is a collaborative workspace that helps remote teams share knowledge, organize projects, and stay aligned. Let's set it up together and walk through the core features you'll use every day. First, create your Confluence account. Head to the Confluence website and sign up. You can start on the free plan, which is great for small teams getting their bearings. Once your workspace is ready, invite your teammates to join by sending them invitations so everyone can get access quickly and securely. Next, create a dedicated space for your team. In the top navigation, click Spaces, then Create Space. Choose Team Space to enable collaboration by default. Give it a clear name, like Marketing Team, so it's easy to recognize. Before you continue, set permissions so the right people can view or edit. This keeps sensitive information protected while allowing the team to work freely. Inside your space, begin documenting work by creating pages. Click Create and choose Blank Page. Add a descriptive title like Project Plan. Use the editor to write text, insert images, build tables, or attach files. Structure your content with headings so the page is scannable and easy to update. Clear formatting now saves confusion later. Collaboration is where Confluence shines. Share the page link with your team and work together in real time. You'll see edits as they happen, which is ideal for remote reviews. Use comments to discuss ideas without changing the main content, and mention teammates with the @ symbol to notify them and keep conversations focused. As your content grows, keep everything organized. Use the left sidebar to create a simple hierarchy of parent and child pages, so related work stays together. Link pages to each other for quick navigation between plans, decisions, and resources. Add labels to pages to improve search and filtering, so anyone can find what they need fast. Quick note, you'll find the official Confluence website link, plus desktop and mobile download links, right at the top of the description so you can get started immediately. To track progress, add task lists directly on pages. Assign tasks to teammates, set due dates, and mark items complete as you go. This keeps status visible where the work lives and reduces the need for extra status meetings. Finally, maintain your knowledge base. Update pages regularly to reflect current work, archive outdated pages to reduce clutter, and encourage everyone to contribute. A living, well-organized space becomes your team's single source of truth. Thanks for watching.